my new video. I am Samina. Today we draw the beautiful healthy vegetables. Kids, this beautiful color used in the vegetables. Dark green, brown, dark yellow, orange, light green, light yellow and red. Dark green in carrot leaves.
Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Orange color in smiling carrot.
A, B, C, D,
Wow, healthy carrot looks very nice.
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my
Dark green.
ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K,
Orange.
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now
Red color
my
in
ABCs.
tomato.
Next time, won't you sing with me? La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Wow, tomato looks very great. Light green. Light yellow. Red. Wow, mushroom look very nice. I like the mushroom very much. Light green. Dark green color in broccoli. Wow, broccoli looks very nice. Pink color in potato. Wow, pink color potato chicks is very nice. Yellow color. Brown color in potato. Wow, potato is very look nice. Red color. Pink color. Light green in cabbage. Dark green color. Light yellow. Wow, kids, our healthy vegetables with beautiful color is ready. Please subscribe my channel. I hope you will like this video very much. See you next video. Bye bye.